Shubor Nongkyrshan jong Nongkyrshan Hima.
Ki pajba ki bawan bansaki ya kejing penskem purang kum kaseng san pertai the voice of the people's party halait kor kenton henne kasni kilami syakmat benok Synñiang hadin balakut kejing elang na kebenta kani kaseng bat lengba kani ke Pisa ke bakino Synñiang kan long kejing yarap na kebenta kijing don kam jong kani kaseng ke badang temai na kaliang ki pajba kilami syakmat benok Synñiang klem debu dor Henry kat keba kidon la kadai shipo arpo ni spa tengka kani kijing no Synñiang kan long kijing kerku na kabenta kani kaseng san pertai kabadang sumi thamai henne kasngi
transportation iba san upar bersama yang pandang bila konkret ada iba like for transportation we have san upar bersama for pandang arrangements we have Wilson Kuro for the sound we have Diang Laye Diang ini ya Diang dah kejingit kita kejing Diang kalau bandap ban pendiang ini kejing kam nani sekemat ngin peni bangingin kuat banu banuan banai Nongkyrshan ni kejingat ni TG Nongkyrshan daladi namar ka sarkar ka bagan wandu ka dei nam ta jong pajba kata ka ni ka thong kejing dengan nampo aban kren jrong akit bo blain kur kui piwe yo ka kot ka kya what you play banai ngo you play what you knyum than Imslam BPP long live 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 BPP God bless each one of us. Thank you.
Launch today. We are very glad that we have been able to launch this party formally today, because as you are aware that on the 5th of October we had already announced that a group of concerned citizens of the state have decided to launch this new political party, and today we have been able to make it, and that is what only I have to say. Definitely, when we form a political party, our purpose is to capture political power. So you cannot capture political power without contesting election. So definitely, we are preparing. We are preparing the ground to feel that VPP will contest from all the 60 constituencies. But definitely, we will be contesting. We will be trying to contest minimum 40 constituencies. When you look at the situation, you may think it that way if the situation is normal. But the situation as of today is not normal. Where the people have experienced a lot of hardships, they have experienced, they have faced problems, and they have also seen the failure of this government, and also the failure of existing established political parties in the state. So there is a general opinion and feeling among the masses that they are fed up with the existing political parties, so they want to see a new political party which is fresh, clean, and that depends on the candidate we are going to set up. So the most important thing that we have to do is the selection of the candidates. It depends. If we can put up right candidate, educated candidate, a candidate with an integrity, we will definitely, I don't see any problem because of the situation.